Hi, my name is Damon. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some iPhone iPad cables. These cables do come in different lengths. You have two 3-foot ones, three 6-foot ones, and then one 10-foot one on the very end. I'm going to open up the package and I'm going to show you the charging process. The thing that I have on the counter, the block, does not come with this package. This package only comes with the wires. Each one is held down with a rubber band, so I'm just going to take that off and I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works. I'm using one of the 6-foot cables just so you can gauge on how long this is. I'm going to plug this into the block and then I'm going to plug this into the side of the island here, and then I'll show you the charging process. I got these from a seller in exchange for an honest review. Some of my cables didn't respond whenever I would plug them in because they're not MFi certified. These are actually MFi certified, and you can plug them in and they automatically recognize. They are compatible with the 6 all the way to the 14. As you can see, it charges just fine. These cables are actually very durable. You can tell by the feel of them. Some of mine have split before just from everyday use. These are not going to do that to you. And the fact that you get several different lengths in this package makes this a pretty good deal. I like these cords.